Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to enable GPU in Blender to render the images or videos. So it is very simple. For that, right, on Blender layout, go to this properties, render properties. So this is render properties. Just click on that. In render engine, just select the cycles. So here you can see which device you are using, CPU or GPU. So just click on this drop down and you can see this GPU compute. If the GPU compute is grayed out, you need to simply change the settings, then it will be enabled. Go to edit, click on this preferences. Here right, come to system. It is selected none. Cycles render device is selected as none. So you need to go to this CUDA tab. If it is unchecked, you need to enable the checkbox. Once you change the settings, you can see this device GPU compute is enabled. Now you can select CPU or GPU. But by the way, edit preferences. So if I'm disabling it, right, it will be grayed out. Or if you might have chosen none. Also, if it is selected none also, the GPU compute will be grayed out. To enable that, go to CUDA and here, right, just enable this. Then close it. That's it, friends. This is the way you can enable graphics card on your Blender. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye, friends, and take care.